We happen to be free for what tomorrow brings. No peace and broken wings. It may have been so good, but now it's understood. 'Twas just a night. If I could tear my heart and keep it miles apart from love of be stolen and never give her down. If I could learn to lie and never show my pride, I'd be just like the rest, be someone I detest. I'm always looking for the sun. I'm always looking for the sun to shine. Destroys the best of us, then leaves the rest of us thinking perhaps we'll die, yet still we stay alive, lost in a hollow frame, with lonely tears remain, not knowing our lives will, dragging around the earth, our false light. You make me satisfied, you only want to ride, but that's alright by me. We happen to be free, and if we fall from grace, at least we had a taste of something more than this, unresolved like abyss. I'm always looking for the sun. I'm always looking